guys, I'm Bargfrede with MarineMax Lake Ozarks. I'm here standing in front of the 2019 G23 from Nautique. We're here at our marina on the water where we have a bunch more Nautiques as well. If you're interested in what you see here or any of our other Nautiques, contact information is below. Get a hold of us and we'll get a demo scheduled to get you on the water. Starting here at the back of the boat, we're going to show you kind of what makes the G23 special here. We have the NCRS tab, which is going to control the size of your wake. You can adjust it to fit any rider. We also have the NSS, which is our wave plate. This is what's going to make our surf wave. You can also adjust it to make any rider comfortable. We have the surf pipe here that puts your exhaust down in the water so it doesn't come up into your face while you're surfing. We also have the thruster that is integrated into our steering assist. It is a nice feature. It allows you to have control while you're in reverse, so when you back up you can go left or right, do whatever you need to do. Let's jump up inside the boat. I can show you a few things in there as well. The boat, I'm standing here on the swim platform. As you can see, we got a nice walk-through into the main cabin. It's all lined with sea deck, which makes it very soft and comfortable. No trip hazards. In the back here, you got great storage on either side of the boat. You can definitely put life jackets, all types of stuff, coolers, bags, anything you need. We also got the nice hooks here to hang ropes or dry out life jackets. Nice feature that Nautique does there. As you come forward, you can see that there's a step spot, so you're not stepping on any seats. You can easily get in and out of the boat. We got great seating here. As of right now, we're here in the wraparound seating, but a couple of moves here, you can have all the seating go reverse. And then here as well. Now everybody is back watching the rider where all the action happens. It's a great spot to get people all involved, you know, talking and everything as well too. Goes back super easy as well. Some of the neat features on this boat, new for 2019, is the power tower. Some of the new stuff here for 2019, we got the power tower. You have the release buttons here, and then you have the power control right here as well. So you can go up and down. Makes it really easy for towing or if you have height restrictions as well. As you can see, we got the lighted cup holders. You can match the color to the seats, or the color of the boat, or you can have it on a rotation. Real nice too. As you get into the helm of the boat, as you can see, you got the race car inspired seat. You have the nice dash laid out, offset to the right for good visibility. You're able to reach it with your right hand without having to get in the way of the steering wheel. You also have the helm control button where you can control everything on the screen from here. Makes it super easy while you're driving the boat. Everything's very nice for the driver. Also got one of the neatest features I think in this boat, makes it super handy. The N4 cooler. Very easy to get to. You don't have to get anybody up out of a seat to get to your beverages. Also, great storage in here as well. You also have your amps and sub located in this compartment as well. Speaking of stereos, we got everything is JL, tower speakers, head unit, transom remote. Everything's integrated, super nice. Up here in the bow area, you got ample seating. Also, it's got the bow filler cushion. As right there, you can see it's down for the sea deck side. It's easily flipped around, so you can have like that. That's the 2019 G23 from Nautique. Come find me, Bargfrede. We'll get you out on the water on this boat having fun, no time.